Hey guys, happy Father's Day to all you dads and dads, uncles, grandpas, whatever. Wade is working today, so Remy and I just went on a run walk. I'm about to water our tomato plants and see how those are going. I actually picked 2 tomatoes off of the vine the other day, and Wade's been really good about watering them. I'm the one that's gonna eat them. This is my first time actually doing anything with growing food this year, and I actually have a nice basil plant as well, and I've already made tons of food with that, so I'm super excited, and it's thriving right now. The tomatoes are too. We will do better with the stakes next year for the vine to work its way up, but we're working with what we have this year, and it's already the roots have already kind of started going sideways. So I don't know if that's right. I don't know. We don't really know, but we're doing it. Wade did just text me when we got back that he's going to be able to come home early, so I'm sure McAllister will come over later, and Wade said he was going to make burgers, and he was going to make thinner burgers for me because now I'm obsessed with Bill's hamburger, so he's going to try to make some smaller patties so I will eat the burger. We'll see how that goes. So I've got to get a grocery list together when I'm done out here, and I'm going to go to Walmart, and I should be able to be back in time to get our video up for the day and get everything situated with Instagram and everything. So I'm going to take you guys along. I don't know what this day, I thought I was going to spend the whole day just me and Remy because my dad's not here. So he's just here in spirit with me, and then my stepdad is out of town with my mom, and it's her birthday, and then Wade was working all day, so things look like they're turning around a little bit, and it's going to be a little bit more enjoyable of a day. We were just going to do chores. We've been doing chores so far, so we're just going to try to nip the chores in the bud so later on this afternoon we can enjoy. So this is the tomato plants that we've got going on, and if you can see, Wade added stakes, but they're kind of going sideways. So if you see, the plant is all mixed up, but you see all of those, these are cherry tomatoes. I didn't want to go super, wild with what I was gonna do for the first time ever, but we've already pulled 2 red ripe tomatoes off. We haven't eaten them yet because I was just gonna let them sit. I pulled those off a couple days ago, but that's pretty exciting. Never been able to, well, not never been able to, I've just never had the want to spend much time on growing my own plants because we work and we like to go on vacation, but because we haven't really been out of town for long trips, I thought this year would be the year that we could try. But yeah, super cool. So yeah, let's go inside and get this grocery order ready so I can go to the store. So we are back. We've got just a good little haul to get us through the week. We're going to be out of town Saturday, and we really just needed some staples. I've got to make some detergent in a minute, so I needed this, and then some grill stuff, bananas to put in for breakfast. And we have some steak, so I think we'll eat steak later this week with some of this. And we need a meat for the burgers. We have some frozen, but we didn't have any, and we go through so many eggs, this will get us through the week only, and we have 4 left in the fridge. Remy likes his vitamins and yogurt, so we had to get him some yogurt, and I already opened these because I was actually hungry. And for dessert, we haven't had these in a really long time, and we'll be in Disney very soon, but I just wanted to get some just to kind of be fun. And then Wade always has to have a pizza because he loves pizza, so we have these on hand just in case it's a quick night. And then cheese for sandwiches through the week and our burgers. and just some stuff that we were running out of. So, and then I like to add, we ran out of lentils, so I like to keep like staples like this in the house, and I saw it, so we needed it, and that's it. That's all we really needed for the week. And oh yeah, steak, A1, because that's really good. And now I've got to put this away so I can make some detergent and post our YouTube video for the day. I'm finally caught up with house chores. So I decided that I was gonna prep tonight's dinner just so it's ready and we can just kind of enjoy each other. But I was gonna show you guys, I'm making homemade hummus. It has been so long since I've made hummus. I want to put some hummus on my burger that Wade makes me tonight. I'm gonna see how that tastes because I like to have hummus with veggies and stuff on a veggie burger. So why not have hummus on a regular burger? So I'm gonna make that and hopefully he'll be home soon. I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day other than grill. So we'll see. Okay guys, so I definitely made a mistake. I've been having phone issues here lately and like texts won't come through properly. I thought Wade was coming home early and I realized that the message was from yesterday. So I had never seen the message and it went along with the message that he had sent this morning. So I just assumed that it didn't alert me when that message came through. It didn't yesterday. So anyways, Wade's not coming home until like 6 o'clock tonight and I've done everything that I feel like doing. I'm exhausted. I kind of want to go on a run later, or at least me and Remy go to the track and just run, walk. But I brought this chair out here. I am going to relax in the sun and just listen to some music or a podcast and just enjoy for 30 minutes or something before I get up and do something else. Because I've been go, go, go all day. Because I thought he was going to be home to enjoy the afternoon with me, but that was my fault. I need a new phone. We need a pool. I think I was out there like 20 minutes. This is so hot. Ooh, there's Patty. That means Wade's finally home. Yes. And look at this cute little thing that he bought himself today while he was out. That's his meat presser. And let's go see what he's doing. He should be getting the grill ready. Yeah. Wade's watching the baseball game. He's finally being able to relax.
Finally.
Yeah. And he's gonna make us some food. Remy, is that stick good? Hey, is the stick good? What are you doing? You listening to the game? Smelling the burgers? Hanging out with Dad? Yes. To go with my burger, I've got a nice fresh salad with cucumber from my grandmother's garden and tomato from what I showed you guys today from our little garden, I guess you would say. Good morning. I just wanted to pop on here. I never ended the video yesterday. Our dinner was delicious. I actually ate the whole burger and the fries were really good. I really couldn't taste the beer, so anyways, we just went on a nice morning stroll and we're about to go get ready for work. But I just wanted to say thanks for keeping me company yesterday. I had a blast just vlogging and getting things done around the house. That's what we do on weekends that Wade has to work and we have things going on for the next weekend. We just try to get as much as accomplished as possible, and I did. It wasn't the normal typical Father's Day, but maybe next year we'll make it a little bit extra special. Who knows? We could be in Disney World next year for Father's Day. But yeah, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. And with that, thank you guys. Have a amazing week.